In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create an Oracle OCI account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to oracle.com. Once from here, it should be looking something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go over to the start for free, but if you already have an account, you'll simply need to click sign in to your Oracle Cloud account. But from here, you'll simply need to click start for free right here, and then from here, it should be looking something like this. This will be your in specific language, but because I live in Denmark, it will automatically translate over to Danish, and I cannot change that apparently. First, here, you'll need to go over and add in your account information, where you'll need to enter in your country and district. You can just click in Denmark for my example. Then from here, you'll need to enter in your first name and last name, and lastly, your email address. You'll need to make sure that this is the correct email address that you use, because you'll want to verify that specific address later on. From here, you also need to click I am a human and do this little capture right here. And then from here, you'll need to verify your email. And once we do that, I'll get back to you. Then you'll get into this page right here where you'll need to enter your password and confirm your password down here. Once you've done that, you'll need to go down to this specific page where you'll be able to add in your customer details or customer type, where you'll need to add whether or not you're a corporate, company, or an individual user. From here, you'll simply need to click either corporate and then add your company name and then the name of the cloud account and your home region. Or you can click individual, where you'll just need to enter in your cloud account and your home region right here. And you can choose between all of these right here, and you'll just need to choose the specific one that is you want to choose. From here, you'll need to click this button right here, so you cannot change the home region up here. And from here, you'll just need to scroll down and click next. Once from here, you'll need to enter in your address information. From here, you'll need to enter in your address, city, your postal code, and lastly, your telephone number. Once you've done all that, you'll simply need to click next, and then you'll need to go in and fill in your credit card information. And don't worry, they will not charge you anything. This is a free trial, and you can always cancel your account afterwards. From here, you'll need to click this button right here, and then start your trial account. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!